Learnosity powers assessment excellence for modern learning platforms, and modern learning platforms need internationalised tools to be able to support authors and deliver assessments in any language, anywhere on the planet. In this video, we're going to focus on the flexibility of Learnosity's authoring and assessment user interfaces and their capacity to be translated into any language of your choosing. Let's have a quick look at our internationalization and localization demos. Avoid the process of manually translating your assessments labels and simply choose from our ever-growing selection of pre-built label bundles, including Spanish, Chinese, German, and many others that haven't been included in this demo. Authors can even create assessments in right-to-left languages, such as Egyptian Arabic and Hebrew. And for languages outside of our selection of pre-built language bundles, you still have flexibility to manually translate your assessment and authoring environments into any language that you need, making it easier to access an international audience of learners and content creators. If you have any questions about our internationalization and localization capabilities, you can email marketing@learnosity.com for more details. Thanks for watching.